do you want to do again? Don't get it wrong this time, Brady. But yeah, what do you want to do?
I'm gonna like build something, you know?
Yeah,
Like a treehouse or something.
yeah, maybe something cool.
I'm pretty good at building.
You are? Maybe you can start your own class.
I think I should.
Okay, let's go start it, and you can be it, and I'll be one of the students.
Okay.
And we'll get more people. Let's go.
Okay. Hey man, get the camera in my face. Okay, today, hello class. We are gonna be starting a project of Kenny's woodwork class. I got the tools. There's wood over there somewhere. I'm ready to start building. What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Guess we got wood.
You got some wood.
Give this.
Okay, the first step, class, is to.
Oh.
What do you mean?
It tastes good.
Hey, stop, man. Stop. We need to build something with this wood.
Okay, let's do it.
This is my bench, man. I built a pretty cool bench. Hey, get away from my face, man.
Kenny,
Yeah?
I made a pickaxe, but it broke.
Okay, that's fine. Just, put stuff together.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna go back to my house now, since I finished my build.
Can I sit on yours? I want to try it.
I'm gonna play some Fortnite. Bye.
Sit on this. Ah! What should I do now? Should I build more stuff with all the wood? Use a screwdriver? Or eat the... Oh. Fortnite or screwdriver? Fortnite would make it a part 2. A screwdriver wouldn't.
Alright, class, wait, what are you doing? You're trashing my desk, man.
I'm eating a screwdriver.
Let's just go back home.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, now that we're back,
That was a disaster. Let's never
you were
do
the
that
best,
again.
Man. You just completely destroyed my shop.
Because I like eating screwdrivers.
They don't taste good. They're not supposed to be. Hey, get the face on. Get the thing on my face.
I know, he's been on my nerves all freaking day.
I know.
Stop.
Right? Stop. Okay. Also, I'm kind of tired. I think I'm gonna go home.
Why can't you stay the night? Oh yeah, it'd be a part 2.
Yep.
It's a YouTube video, so we can do anything.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna take a nap too. These videos always end on taking a nap. I don't know why. We're just always tired. Okay? Just don't ask us.
Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. Oh, I'm sleeping. I'll just eat dinner. No, he's fine.
I swallowed my spit.